In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Microsoft Outlook to default settings. Fast. 2025 Guide. If your Outlook layout looks messy, columns are out of place, or the reading pane isn't where you want it, a quick reset can bring everything back to the clean default view. In this tutorial, we're using Outlook on the web, and we'll keep things simple. This reset affects how your mailbox looks and behaves, things like the reading pane, message list density, sorting, and conversation view. It won't delete your emails, folders, or accounts. Start by opening your browser and searching for Microsoft Outlook. Click the official Outlook link and sign into your account. Use your usual sign-in credentials and, if prompted, complete your verification. Once you're in, make sure you're looking at Mail. If you see Calendar or People, switch to Mail so the layout controls apply to your inbox. At the top of the mailbox, find the View option. This is the hub for how your inbox is displayed, and it controls the message list, the reading pane position, and other visual preferences. Click View to open the menu. You'll see several quick options, but for the full reset, we need the extended controls. To reveal more actions, select the three dots within the View area. Those three dots expand additional choices that aren't shown by default, which is where Outlook keeps the customization panel we need. From the expanded menu, click Customize. This opens the layout customization window for Mail. Think of it as the control center for all your view tweaks. Here's where Outlook tracks changes you've made over time. Things like grouping by date, turning conversation view on or off, changing column density, or moving the reading pane. Inside this customization window, choose Reset All Changes. This command reverts your mailbox view back to the default Outlook settings. It's safe to use. It won't remove messages, folders, rules, or connected accounts. It simply returns the look and layout to the standard setup, which is perfect when things feel cluttered or inconsistent. Finally, click Save. This step applies the reset and closes the customization window. Give your mailbox a moment to refresh. You should now see the default layout restored, with a clean message list and the standard reading pane placement. If something still looks off, try a quick browser refresh to ensure the changes stick. That's all it takes. You signed in, went to Mail, opened View, expanded the three dots, chose Customize, reset all changes, and saved. If you ever want to tweak things again, return to View and adjust to your preference. And note, if you're using the desktop Outlook app for Windows or Mac, the steps are different. This guide is specifically for Outlook on the web.